today we are diving into the art of composition, which is one of the fundamental tools of creating a compelling photograph. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced photographer, understanding composition can take your photos from being ordinary to being extraordinary. So let's jump in and explore the world of composition together. Before we delve into specific techniques, let's first understand what composition actually is. In simple terms, composition refers to how elements within your photo are organized and arranged. It involves the placement, interaction and balance of various visual elements within your photo to create a pleasing effect. So let's look at some examples, and I want you to notice where your eyes go first when you look at these images. In this photo, I've used a technique called leading lines. Can you see how the line of the train draws your eye into the image and makes you wonder what is around the corner? Here is another example of leading lines. The arching lines on the left of the image are water fountains. Your eye follows these arching water lines and then finally rests on the castle, which is the main focus of this image. Now let's talk about the rule of thirds. Notice how this image feels pretty balanced, even though the pinnacle on the right is much bigger and much closer than the one on the left. This is because I placed the two main pinnacles, the one on the left and the one on the right, on the two vertical lines of the rule of thirds grid. The rule of thirds is also great for portraits. Here I've placed the bird on the top right cross and the point where the branch meets the rest of the tree on the bottom left cross. Again, creating balance. The final composition tool I want to talk about is framing. In this image, I've used two trees to create a triangular frame for the viewer to look through. This helps to draw the viewer further into the image. You can use almost anything to create a frame within your image. Here I was standing inside a cave shooting the landscape outside of the cave. Remember, composition is a powerful tool that can transform a regular photo into a work of art. Practice, observe and experiment with these techniques, and soon you'll be able to create compelling compositions effortlessly. So that wraps up our journey into the world of composition. I hope that you have found these tips and techniques helpful. If you want to learn more about composition, then make sure you check out my Principles of Composition mini course. This short course covers 6 composition rules in detail. The link is in the description for more information on that. If you have enjoyed this video, please give it a like and make sure you subscribe to this channel to get more tips and tricks to improve your photos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again next week. Bye bye.